Hello everyone. Welcome to English Motivated channel. If you new here, please subscribe to our channel. We all love the idea of motivation. It feels powerful, exciting, and inspiring. Motivation gives us energy, fills us with hope, and makes us believe we can achieve anything. When we watch a motivational video, hear a powerful speech, or think about our dreams, we suddenly feel unstoppable. But there is a problem. Motivation never stays forever. It fades, it disappears, and it doesn't show up every day. On the days when motivation is missing, most people stop, give up, or wait for motivation to return. This is where consistency becomes more important than motivation. Consistency is not exciting. It is not loud, dramatic, or emotional. It is quiet, disciplined, and steady. Consistency means showing up even when you don't feel like it. It means studying when you are tired, practicing when you are bored, working when no one is watching, and continuing even when progress feels slow. While motivation gives a strong push at the beginning, consistency builds real results over time. Every great achievement in life comes from small daily actions, repeated again and again, not from sudden bursts of motivation. When we compare motivation and consistency, we discover an important truth. Motivation helps you start, but consistency helps you finish. Motivation is a feeling. Consistency is a habit. Motivation depends on your mood. Consistency depends on your commitment. Motivation can make you believe, but consistency makes you achieve. A student who studies only when motivated may not succeed, but a student who studies a little every day will improve for sure. An athlete who trains only when excited will never reach the top. But the one who trains daily, even on hard days, becomes strong. In life, success does not belong to the most motivated people. It belongs to the most consistent people. The people we admire, successful players, creators, entrepreneurs, students, and professionals, are not heroes of motivation. They are heroes of discipline and consistency. They didn't rely on feelings. They relied on habits. They didn't wait for the right mood. They created progress through daily effort. In this discussion, we will explore how consistency and motivation work, why consistency wins in the long run, and how you can build consistency in your own life. If you truly want growth, improvement, and success, you must learn to stop depending only on motivation and start building consistency as your greatest strength. Consistency versus motivation. Which one really helps you succeed? When most people think about success, the first word that comes to mind is motivation. We imagine being full of energy, excitement, passion, and inspiration. We picture ourselves waking up early, feeling powerful, and ready to conquer the world. But in real life, that rarely happens every day. Some mornings we feel tired. Some days we feel lazy, and sometimes life feels stressful. That is where another powerful word becomes more important than motivation: consistency. Motivation is great. It feels exciting. It makes us start. But consistency is what helps us continue. Motivation is like a spark. It lights the fire. Consistency is like the fuel. It keeps the fire burning. Without consistency, motivation is useless. You may start today with energy, but if you stop tomorrow, you will never reach your goal. In this long, detailed explanation, Let's deeply understand the real difference between motivation and consistency. Why consistency is more powerful, how the brain reacts to both, how great achievers use consistency, and finally, how you can build daily discipline, even when you don't feel like it. What is motivation? Motivation is an emotional state. It's a feeling. It is that moment when you suddenly feel inspired. After watching a motivational video, motivation gives you a push. It makes you feel like, yes, I can do it. You start gym, you start studying, you start learning English, you start a new habit. Motivation is the reason many people begin their journey. But here is the truth. Motivation does not stay forever. It fades. It disappears. It is temporary. One day you feel energetic. The next day you don't. One day you love your dream. Another day you feel tired, bored, or hopeless. That is why people who depend only on motivation fail. Because the moment motivation disappears, they stop working. What is consistency? Consistency is the ability to keep going even when you don't feel motivated. It means showing up every day, doing small actions regularly, sticking to your routine, continuing even when it is boring, staying disciplined even when you don't feel like it. Consistency is not emotional. It is logical. It is strong. It is steady. It does not depend on feelings. It depends on commitment. A consistent person says, I don't care if I feel lazy. I will still do my work. I don't care if I am not motivated today. I will still show up. I don't wait for inspiration. I create progress every day. Motivation starts the journey. Consistency finishes it. Think about this. Anyone can start. Very few can continue. Only the strongest can finish. Motivation equals start the engine. Consistency equals drive the journey. Success equals reaching the destination. Motivation can push you forward for one day, 1 week, maybe 1 month. But great things take time. Learning English, building a body, becoming successful, improving skills, building confidence. These things take months and years. That's why consistency wins. Why do people love motivation more? People like motivation because it feels good. It is emotional. It gives instant excitement. Motivation makes you feel like a hero inside your head, even before doing anything. But consistency? Consistency is not glamorous. It is not exciting. It is sometimes boring. It requires patience. It requires discipline. Motivation says, you will become great fast. Consistency says, you will become great slowly, but surely. Most people choose easy things. That's why they keep watching motivational videos instead of working. That's why they start 10 times, but never finish once. How the brain reacts to motivation versus consistency. Motivation activates emotions. It gives a temporary dopamine boost. You feel powerful, but dopamine drops quickly. Then you feel normal again, sometimes even more disappointed than before. Consistency rewires the brain. When you repeat an action daily, it becomes a habit. Your brain starts recognizing, this is who I am now. Your identity changes. You no longer try to do things. You naturally do them. This is called neuroplasticity. Your brain forms new pathways through repetition. That is why consistency builds long-term success. It literally changes your brain structure. Motivation is a feeling. Consistency is a decision. Feelings are temporary. Decisions are powerful. Motivation says, I feel like working today. Consistency says, I will work whether I feel like it or not. Successful people are not always motivated. They are simply disciplined. They don't wait for the right mood. They create the right action. Real-life examples, students. Motivation makes a student study hard for 3 days. Consistency makes a student study every day. Who will top the exam? Of course, the consistent one. Fitness. Motivated people join the gym passionately. After 1 month, they disappear. Consistent people quietly work out 20 to 30 minutes daily. Who becomes fit? The consistent one. 3. Learning English. Motivated people watch English videos for 1 week. Then they stop. Consistent learners practice daily for months. Who speaks confidently? The consistent learner. Great people didn't rely on motivation. Every successful person you admire depends on consistency, not motivation. Athletes train even on bad days. Writers write even when they don't feel inspired. Entrepreneurs work even when they are exhausted. Students study even when they feel lazy. They don't wait for mood. They act through discipline. Small consistency is more powerful than big motivation. Doing something little every day is more powerful than doing a lot rarely. 10 minutes daily is greater than 2 hours once a week. Reading 3 pages daily is greater than reading 50 pages once. Practicing English 15 minutes daily, studying hard once in a while. Small, consistent steps create massive results. Consistency builds habits. Habits build success. When you repeat actions daily, they become routines. Routines become habits. Habits shape your future. Your success is hidden inside your daily habits. 1. Your success is hidden inside your daily habits. 1. Gum everything once in a while. Again. Thank you for listening. See you next time. How to build consistency, even when you don't feel motivated. Here are practical tips. Start small. Don't try to do everything big. Start with tiny actions. Make a fixed routine. Same time every day helps your brain adapt. Focus on progress, not perfection. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. Remove distractions. Less phone, less procrastination. Track your daily actions. Habit trackers help. Forgive yourself if you miss a day, but come back the next day. Remember your goal. Why did you start? Never forget. The truth most people don't want to hear. Success is not about feelings. Success is about discipline. Motivation is fun. Consistency is powerful. People who wait for motivation will always be average. People who build consistency will always move forward. Final conclusion. Motivation is important. It inspires you. It gives you energy. It helps you begin. But consistency is greater than motivation. Because motivation is temporary. Consistency is permanent. Motivation depends on mood. Consistency depends on commitment. Motivation helps you start. Consistency helps you finish. If you truly want to change your life, don't ask, "How do I stay motivated?" Ask, "How do I stay consistent?" Build habits. Show up daily. Do small actions. Keep going even when it feels boring. That is how champions are built. That is how success is created. That is how dreams become reality. As we come to the end of this journey, remember one powerful truth. Motivation may start the engine, but consistency keeps the vehicle moving. Motivation is exciting, emotional, and inspiring, but it can disappear in a single bad day. Consistency, however, is steady. It shows up when you're tired, when life feels heavy, and when excuses sound easier than effort. If you truly want to change your life, stop waiting for the right mood or the perfect time. Start small. Show up daily. Build habits that support your goals. Success is never built in one big moment of motivation. It is built through hundreds of small, repeated actions that no one sees. Every day you stay consistent, you prove to yourself that you are capable, disciplined, and stronger than your doubts. So don't chase motivation. Create systems. Don't wait for inspiration. Build routines. And most importantly, believe in your ability to improve one step at a time. Whether you're learning English, improving your health, working on your dreams, or simply trying to become better than yesterday, keep going. Even slow progress is still progress. Is today you learned something valuable? Let it be this. Consistency turns ordinary people into extraordinary achievers. You don't need to be the most talented. You don't need to be the fastest. You just need to be the one who never quits. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. Keep believing, keep working, and keep showing up, because your future self is already proud of you.